Picture this. You're cruising down the road, enjoying your favorite tunes, when suddenly your car starts sputtering. The smooth ride you were having is abruptly interrupted, and you can't help but feel a wave of anxiety wash over you. The check engine light throws a tantrum on your dashboard, flashing insistently as if demanding your immediate attention. You get a sinking feeling knowing something's wrong. Your mind races with possibilities, and you wonder how serious the issue could be. A quick scan reveals the culprit, the dreaded P0200 error code. This cryptic message can be alarming if you're not familiar with it. Don't panic. This code sounds intimidating, but I'm here to break it down for you. Understanding what it means is the first step to resolving the issue. In this guide, we'll unravel the mystery of the P0200 code and empower you to tackle it head-on. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to address this problem without fear. In simple terms, the P0200 code indicates a problem with your car's fuel injector circuit. Circuit is just a fancy word for the electrical pathway that controls your fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are like tiny valves that spray a precise amount of fuel into your engine's cylinders. This process is crucial for combustion, which makes your car go. When the injector circuit malfunctions, it disrupts this delicate balance, causing all sorts of driving headaches. Before we dive into troubleshooting, let's familiarize ourselves with the location of these mischievous fuel injectors. These components play a crucial role in delivering fuel to your engine, and any issues with them can lead to significant performance problems. Pop open your car's bonnet and take a good look inside. The fuel injectors and their wiring are essential parts of the engine's fuel delivery system. Locate the engine, which is the heart of your vehicle. Depending on your car's make and model, the fuel injectors are typically found on top or near the engine block. They are strategically placed to ensure efficient fuel delivery. These injectors look like little nozzles connected to a fuel rail. The fuel rail distributes fuel to each injector, ensuring that the engine gets the right amount of fuel. The wiring harness, which carries the electrical signals, is usually bundled together and runs near the injectors. This harness is crucial for the injectors to function correctly, as it ensures they receive the necessary electrical signals to operate. Section 4. Red flags. Symptoms of a P0200 error. Understanding these symptoms can help you diagnose and address the issue before it becomes a bigger problem. Now that you know what we're dealing with, let's talk about the telltale signs of a P0200 error. Recognizing these signs early can save you time and money. Your car might exhibit one or more of these symptoms, which can vary in severity and impact on your vehicle's performance. Rough idling, where the engine vibrates excessively when the car is stationary. This can make your car feel unstable and uncomfortable. Misfires, meaning the engine stumbles or hesitates during acceleration. This can lead to a jerky driving experience and reduced power. Reduced fuel efficiency, causing you to make more frequent trips to the petrol station. This not only affects your wallet but also indicates your engine isn't running optimally. Increased emissions, with your car's exhaust fumes being smellier or darker than usual. This is a sign that your engine is not burning fuel properly. And of course, an illuminated check engine light, which is your car's way of saying, hey, something's not right. Always take this warning seriously and get your car checked as soon as possible. Section 5. Troubleshooting. Finding the root of the problem. Stay tuned for the next part, where I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of troubleshooting and fixing the P0200 error. We'll cover everything from checking fuses and connections to testing individual injectors. Remember, knowledge is power, and with a little guidance you can conquer this automotive challenge like a pro.